Okay, so hey, what's guys? This is your friend Captain Yawas back with another unboxing. And if we have to talk about this unboxing specifically, this is a big upgrade to the frame which we all use this now. That is this ring light, if you are able to see it in the reflection. And that is one another upgrade which we were thinking to do it from a really long time is regarding the microphone, and in this today's video we are going to do that. This is a really good microphone and a really good price point. We're going to talk about each and everything, but let me just show you this Maona AU 803. This is a really big box, and it is also on the heavier side. This is a condenser microphone and it is really good. We're gonna talk about each and everything and my first impression, and you're gonna be experiencing how it is in our future videos. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. So this is what the retail box packaging of the Maona AU803 looks like. This is a condenser podcasting microphone kit. Basically there is only one microphone in this box and it is really good. Let's take a look at the unboxing, but before that let's take a look at the box. It is in a yellow and black tone, and it looks really nice in this illustration. If you have to take a look on the top, there you go with the quick specification of this. And if I do have to say so, it is a polar pattern by the corroded. It is having a ultra noise circuit design. We're gonna talk about that. XLR output, which is a really nice thing. It is having a 16 millimeter of diaphragm capsule and 2.5 millimeter audio cable. Full metal casing is there, which is a really nice thing. Shock mount is there, which is obviously if you have to mount it on the boom arm, there is also that. So it is a really nice kit. And if I do have to say so, at the back side there is a quick look at the how it's gonna be looking a lot like, and there is a quick specification about the how the audio and stuff will be looking at, and also the polar pattern and frequency response is also there, which is really looking very minimal. And let's take a look at what is given inside the box. Don't mind it if the box isn't coming in the frame because it is really big. So if you have to open this, there is this bracket lock given over here. Opening the box, firstly the user manual is there. Make sure you read it. It has each and every information regarding this condenser mic. We're gonna bring it aside. There is the first compartment. The first compartment, guys, is the noise cancelling stuff, which is a really nice thing. And this is a really important if there is a noise going on besides, and if you have to record a long term audio and stuff. Keeping this aside, and it is completely made out of metal. We're gonna talk about that each and everything. Yeah, that's it all given in the first compartment. Now taking a look at the second compartment. The second compartment drives up with this. This is really important because it's a base where everything will be going on, and it has everything to go upon it. This is the point where everything will be going on. We're gonna show it to you how the things goes. There's a mount where the microphone will be probably going on. And yeah, the cable. This is a really important cable. This is that point which will be going inside the mic, and this is the point where if you have the converters, it is really nice. And if you don't have, you can directly connect it to the phone, laptop, whatever you like. There is a dual converters over here, which is one for the phone and one for the PC, which is really nice thing. Keeping this cables aside, this is the boom arm, which is really tight and secured, kept inside. Yeah, so this is the place where the microphone will be mounting itself, and it is completely made out of metal. Even this springs are made out of metal. This is where the points and stuff will be adding on, and everything will be upon this boom arm, which is really nice and big. I know it won't be completely fitting in the frame. And with the boom arm, this is a strap which is really important. If you mount it on with the cables, you can guide it with this strap. Really nice. And at the last, microphone in this white casing, which is for the production and stuff, which is really nice thing. And yeah, it looks really nice, and it is on the heavier side. Basically, it's a microphone. And over here there is a thank you card, and you can follow their social medias, and if you need help, there is that support page. So yeah, that's all you got inside the box for the unboxing. So after the assembling of the microphone, it took around 1 to 3 minutes of complete assembly. It is really easy to assemble this microphone, and if I do have to say so, the microphone is right over here. Kind of say I can't show you completely because I have used the strap. So yeah, that's the microphone, but I'll be testing it afterwards. The current sound which you are able to hear is directly from the microphone which we used to use on our older videos. And after this clip, the sound which you will be able to hear is directly from this microphone, from the camera which we are recording or using. So the sound which you are now able to hear is directly recorded from this microphone, the Maona AU803 basically. So the sound which came from the background is a really important sound, because that sound was able to appear in a lot of videos, and now we're gonna be testing it if it is able to capture, if it is not, and everything. And yeah, let me know if there is any type of differentiation between the older sound and this sound, so we can work on those stuff. And also the pop filter is applied on the mic, which is for the noise reduction, that slight noise reduction. And also on the microphone there is the windshield, which is a must need of a microphone if you are on the move and stuff like that. So yeah, the sound, if as per the thing, let me know in the comment section down below. Even my notifications are appearing in between, so that will be also helpful. So now let's talk about this microphone. This is a really good, and in terms of the design and stuff, it is a really looking premium. Firstly, if I do have to say so, the cable given in the box is a really thick cable, and it is really good in terms of the durability, because it is a thick cable, so it's gonna be really durable. Talking about the microphone, it is completely made of metal. Even the mesh is made out of metal, which is really nice thing. The microphone's own mesh, which is made out of metal, which is a really nice thing. Talking about the another thing, in terms of the durability of the boom arm and stuff, it is completely made out of metal, so you don't have to worry about that stuff. And the cable is also made out of not the metal, basically a thick wire, so it is a really nice thing. Take a look at the audio. The audio becomes kind of really crispy and kind of really soft when you are using this microphone. And as compared with the older one, I checked the clips side by side, and there were some background noise still coming in the usage of a normal end. But if I do have to say so, if you do a hardcore editing, then it might be removed, but it can't be done on the phone. So yeah, that's basically a kind of a drawback. Gonna talk about each and everything. And if I do have to say so, in terms of the design and stuff, it looks a kind of a really premium. And due to its conveniency, there is a table mount, which is a really nice thing they have given inside the box, and it is perfect for if you are using on the table. On the table, if you have classes to do, it's gonna be really nice. Even the box contains a aux cable, which is really nice if you use this on your smartphone, on your tablet, if you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So it's gonna be really nice thing. And if you have a PC, or you can say the amplifier, you can use that 2-pin connector and directly connect it. It's gonna be really nice.
Well, to buying a proper mic nowadays is pretty hard thing, and the thing, if you are going under the 1000 INR, it's pretty hard, because I have seen the lots of mic, even the collar stuff which I like was starting like 3000 INR. So my budget was like under 1000, so I got this mic which was like under 1000, and according to the offers were going on, so I get my satisfaction in 900 Anna rupees, which is a great price tag. And I like pretty much mic. And talking about some another things, like if I'm editing in the Premiere Pro, this thing is helpful well, because the mic tone is like we can say has the different frames, and different voice thing, so I can easily do the noise cancellation thing in my videos and in some another. So it is very helpful thing and I like this mic. Hopefully you like this video. Subscribe to the channel, press bell notification to also never miss any other update coming with another.